Alrighty guys, real quick, yes, your boy is happy. I'm ecstatic. The mechanic that wrote this up, P06DD, by the way, need an oil pump. This is a 3.6 Pentastar. He sold this job for 6 hours. He's not here to do it, and they need it done. Where's my part? Right here, guys. Y'all see this? This is a Pentastar dual stage oil pump, okay? Dual stage, I'm thinking that means depending on the RPM, that would dictate how much oil pressure this dish out. Okay, predominantly at idle, you need more oil pressure, right? Highway speed, you may not need as much. So the computer determines that, though, right? So yes, he got 6 hours, guys. This is maybe the 2-hour job. I just got to get this oil pan off. Now, guys, I can't film this. All right. Yes, this is too secretive. This is G14 classified type secret. All right, FBI type stuff. So I got work to do. Let me get this. I ain't gotta do none of this, man. This is easy peasy. I'll fire the camera up later. Alrighty, guys, I got it. It's about to. I was wrong, guys. I said what, 2 hours? No, actually, guys, it's gonna take me maybe 1 hour to complete this whole job. Remember, guys, this is G14 classified. All right, I cannot reveal how I was able to do this without removing the timing cover or the oil pan. All right, but here's my new dual stage oil pump that I'm getting ready to install, guys. P06DD. Okay, I think remember, somebody has diagnosed this. All right, he's not here. He got 6 hours to do this. I guess the warranty company paying for it. I don't know who paying for it. I know as long as I get paid, I'm good. So I got to. All right. Now remember, guys, this little plate thing in jig here, do not go back on here. All right. So don't worry about this. There's no screws for that. Okay. So I got to get all this bolt back up and put this back together. All right. I got work to do. Alrighty, guys. Here we go. An hour and a half, maybe tops later. Got the new one in, guys. Got it all bolted, strained and cleaned out and installed and everything. Now, guys, one thing I want to bring to y'all attention, because what you don't see, well, what used to be right here on the old oil pump, okay? This is a oil pump, okay? P06DD, another guy wrote up. This right here, guys. Y'all see this? I do not want y'all to panic over this, all right? This is not to go back on the new oil pump, okay? It is not needed. All right, in fact, it will not bolt up. Okay, there's no holes in there, and you are not to drill and make holes on it. They just simply say do away with it. Yes, on the old oil pump, it went right there to cover the chain, but it's not needed anymore on the new oil pump. Okay, so just chunk it, get rid of it. All right, now I got my oil pan cleaned up, guys. This is what they want me to use. I think I'm gonna use regular RTV. I'm not sealing from block to block. Okay, but this is the good stuff. All right, so let me get this oil pan on, guys. I'm done.